All right, welcome to the Coral Inn suite. The boss. So this is the toilet. Dressing up. What is this? A makeup area. And it's a shower area. And you'll have a table here for study, reading, maybe eating. And this comes the bed. So it's pretty amazing. Ta-da! There's a swimming pool there, and then the lake, and then the seawater. Here comes our bed. And this is the bathtub. And this is what you see while you're relaxing in the bathtub. Very perfect. It's eating table. And of course, for you to relax, big couch. And there's a balcony right here. Big balcony. You will see the swimming pool. Get the TV. It's the DVD. It's my husband's computer. Well, he gave it to me, so it's mine now. And there's a little fridge and like some utensils here. Yeah. Oh, nothing.